Many people are unaware that a simple but powerful ingredient can prevent a heart attack in 1 minute. How much do you know about cayenne pepper? Cayenne is the most popular kind of chili pepper. Make sure that you always have some on hand. It can save a family member from a heart attack. Cayenne pepper has been the subject of many health experts, including Dr. Richard Schultz. Doctors are amazed at the healing properties of cayenne pepper. Over his 35-year career, American herbalist Dr. Christopher never lost a patient over a heart attack. He credits cayenne pepper. He has treated patients suffering heart attacks with a cup of cayenne pepper tea. Within a minute they recover from the attack. What makes this even more relevant is the fact that these scientists base their theories about cayenne pepper on personal experience, not studies done in controlled conditions. How to use cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has at least 90,000 Scoville units, according to the Scoville Heat Units, SHU. Habanero, African bird, Tai Chi, Jamaican hot pepper, jalapeno, and Scotch bonnet are species of peppers that have the same SHU value. You can find cayenne pepper in supermarkets, oriental grocery stores or health food stores. If you have cayenne pepper at home, give the person having a heart attack a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a glass of water. The patient has to be conscious for this to work. If the person is unconscious, you can use cayenne pepper extract. Put a few drops under patient's tongue for results. Cayenne pepper is a powerful stimulant. It increases heart rate and carries blood to all parts of the body, balancing circulation. Cayenne pepper has hemostatic effect, stops bleeding instantly, and helps in heart attack recovery. Remember, many health experts say that they have never lost a patient thanks to this instant therapy. Dr. Schultz's cayenne tincture recipe. This tincture is the best remedy for emergency cases of heart attacks. Use only cayenne pepper, which is the most popular kind of chili pepper. It is grown in India and South America. Chili is a bushy tropical plant, and unlike peppers, it is a perennial plant. Ground chili is 20 times stronger than regular pepper, because it contains much more capsaicin, a pepper alkaloid. The heat of chili peppers is inversely proportional to the size of the pepper, so the tiniest peppers are usually the hottest. Always go for this kind. Ingredients. Cayenne pepper powder. 1-3 fresh cayenne peppers. 50% alcohol, you can use vodka. 1 liter glass bottle. Gloves. Instructions. Put on gloves for safety. Fill a quarter of the glass bottle with cayenne pepper powder. Pour in just enough alcohol that it covers the powder. In a blender mix the fresh peppers with enough alcohol that you get a sauce-like consistency. Add the mixture to the bottle so that 3/4 of the bottle is filled. Fill the bottle to the top with alcohol and put the lid on. Shake the bottle several times a day. Leave the tincture in a dark place for 2 weeks, then strain. Keep final tincture in a dark bottle. For a stronger tincture, let it infuse 3 months before straining. Store tincture in a dry, dark place. It never spoils. Dr. Schultz's dosing recommendation. Give 5-10 drops of the tincture to the conscious patient who has suffered a heart attack or stroke. Give another 5-10 drops after 5 minutes. Repeat the treatment until the patient's condition improves. If the patient is unconscious, put 1-3 drops under their tongue, and begin CPR. Repeat the treatment after 5 minutes, and repeat it every 5 minutes until your patient's condition improves. Health benefits. Cayenne pepper can be used in the treatment of other ailments. It has antifungal properties. It prevents the occurrence of phimopsis and cultotrichum. It is known for its beneficial effect on the digestive system, because it stimulates the production of gastric juices, and relieves gases. Cayenne peppers have anti-cancer properties, and they are especially recommended to patients diagnosed with lung cancer and smokers. It is believed that capsaicin found in cayenne pepper prevents the development of tumors caused by tobacco, and similar results are noticed in patients diagnosed with liver cancer. It is also helpful in the treatment of stomach problems, flu symptoms, migraines, allergies, redness, obesity, toothache and arthritis. Nutritional value. Scientists have confirmed the presence of 26 different nutrients in cayenne pepper. Calcium, zinc, selenium, and magnesium are some of the most essential minerals found in cayenne pepper. In addition to minerals, cayenne peppers are rich in vitamins C and A. Cayenne pepper is one of the strongest natural spices and can do miracles for the heart. If you struggle with heart problems, always have this tincture on hand. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.